Uh, Today I'm gonna start the part 2 of That's How I Lost My MacBook Charger, and I have the written format, but I've not written it fully. So I will read the chapter number first of part 2, but ideally chapter 10, which is chapter 10 is Jaipur and destiny of the story. So we ended the chapter 9 with I woke up, got ready, and she had to reach on time. We went, and now onwards time was super slow. The whole aura of love was magical. I hated Hyatt that day. I did not want us to leave so soon, and who would know that it might was our last happy meeting. And of course, then I have attached some screenshots, which is going to come in this part. That is part second. Uh, so yeah, today is 5th of October, Sunday, 2025, and the story is in the 2018, and this is March, happening in March, the 3rd March. So what happened is 3 March के बाद फिर I dropped her to her hotel, and we hugged and could not kiss because, of course, it was a public space and we do not violate each other's privacy and in the terms of preferences for PDA, 90s kids. And of course, then I went to my, my flat, ex flat, because I've left that if you have read the first part, but I had the access because my ex-roommate was already there. But before that, I was super happy. I went to Delhi Hyatt and saw some things which I can give to her because I am a big fan of gifting personalized items or jhumkas. You see the cover, right? Jhumkas and earrings and all those kind of things. Crazy bracelets and all these things. So then I went to Malvinagar, took auto, and then I reached my flat, my PG, not my PG but my flat, and I started working on my startup in Gram because now I had the major part of my life sorted, which was love. Love of my life was there. She was working with Hire. I was just not sleeping. The sleep was not coming to me. I was just doing work on my laptop, the MacBook, and then of course I took a power nap, I think 15-20 minutes max, and then at the evening I went to Select City Walk. I told you I was living just in uh, you know 50 meters from Select City Walk, just opposite Select City Walk. So I went to Select City Walk at 4-5 in the evening. I was pretty excited. I was showing her something that I want to gift you this, I want to gift you that, and of course she was working and she had her shift, so she couldn't reply me instantly, but she was trying, and that was bad on my part that I was forcing her to reply, as in by messaging her. I was excited. I am of course प्यार में पागल, प्यार में आशिक. So that's why she was getting a little bit worried, but she was like, Ajay, don't gift me because I don't like to take gifts if I can't give it back. And I was like, why you have to give it back to me? It's not a transaction, it's love, right? Love does not follow any boundaries, it does not follow any patterns. But still, she insisted me, Ajay, please don't buy me anything. I won't accept. I respected her thought and I respected her decision, so I did not buy anything. And मैं थोड़ा बहुत घूम के I went back to my flat. I was there, working, and around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we were chatting. And when I was coming back after my dinner, I saw that in the trees we have shivlings, right? I'm not sure whether I've seen it or not, but on that day, that shivling was missing, and I somehow hallucinate or thought that Shivji left us, and something bad is going to happen. I messaged her instantly. The screenshots are attached, and I told her that I think that Shivji left us. Something bad is going to happen. I'm coming to meet you. This was 11 at night. I took the last metro from Malviya Nagar and I reached her hotel at 12ish. And I was stupid. I called her to come and meet me, but she was not allowed. How I could have been so naive. Now that I think back, it was 100% my mistake. I could have controlled myself. I could have controlled my thoughts, my negative zone. Anyways, so she told me I can't come and I can't promise you कि 3 बजे फ्री होंगी 4 बजे फ्री होंगी so don't wait for me and you know my travel self I somehow thought that I want to go to Jaipur and Jodhpur so I took a bus in the cold March of Delhi and with I was wearing shorts and I had my laptop MacBook I had my charger and I had some 3,000, 4,000 rupees in my bank account and I had some cash, so I gave that cash to the I think Rajasthan Roadways or maybe Haryana Roadways, and I took a bus and I messaged her. I was stupid. I was messaging her voice notes on Instagram couple of times, which was more than required. It was my mistake. I admit it 100%. And then I reached in the morning and I don't want to tell you the reason that I went to Jaipur or Jodhpur, but it was something related to her passion for opening her own bakery. I just wanted to help her, not I did not wanted her, to start it right there, and then I just wanted to do a recce, do a basic research, कि land current कितना होगा, कहाँ पे खोल सकते हैं, just by the pure thought of like that I like her bakery वाला idea, and I love startups, I love founders, so why not I just do a little bit of groundwork for her as a gift or as a choice. But of course, life complicated, ups and downs. I reached Jaipur and I thought कि let me make 2,000 से 20,000 रुपये मैं चश्मे खरीदूंगा ऐसे वाले जयपुर से और वहाँ पे 100 रुपये 200 रुपये के बिक रहे थे और मैं बस स्टैंड से 200 रुपये के चश्मे खरीद के आई विल सेल इट टू द फॉरनर्स इन हॉस्टल फॉर $500 $1,000 बिकॉज आई एम सुपर ऑसम सो आई समहाउ हर 1500 के आई गॉट इट from the bus stand, some other things like for my personal day routine, toothbrush, shaving creams, all those sorts of things. So, and I was like, अब मैं zero से शुरू करूँगा. Pretty exciting, right? Yeah. So then I somehow started my day. I went to the Jaipur का circle. I called my kids, like the students जिनसे मैं जनवरी में मिला था, हमने उनके विवासिटी करवाया था. लक्ष्मी मित्तल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज प्रॉपर नाम है उसका. तो ऑफकोर्स वो बच्चे बिजी थे, किसी के एग्ज़ाम चल रहे थे, कुछ तो वो बच्चे ने फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. सो आई थॉट कि लेट्स स्टार्ट माई ग्राउंड वर्क फ्रॉम हेयर एंड देयर. And I pitched to shopkeepers. I met one guy. I tried to sell him whatever I had in my bag, even the toothpaste were unused. And at last he was like, I don't need anything. फिर मैंने कहा let me try one more. Do you smoke and do you need a lighter? I might have a lighter. And I sold him a lighter. And after selling it, he told me that you know, I work for ITC. I get my lighters and cigarettes free. I just bought it from you, the lighter, because the sheer dedication and the confidence and the acumen of not giving up. You have shown me each and every item in your bag, and that's what I respect. And you are kind of very very great sales person. So all the best for your journey, all the best for your research, and cheers. I was like on the ninth cloud and I was like ठीक है हो गया भाई अपना I am done for the day. Now let's go to hostel. फिर रास्ते में मुझे बच्चे मिले तो मैंने कहा ठीक है यार पैसे वैसे कमा लेंगे. मैंने उनको गिफ्ट कर दिए. जो मेरे पास 2-3 चश्मे थे मतलब जो चश्मे थे उनमें से 2-3 चश्मे की ठीक है यार let's do our karma. But I was wrong. I was doing my karma with an intention of getting something back. That is not how it should work. The intention of social work or noble work is when you do it with pure thought of helping someone or just doing your bit, not expecting anything in return. I was doing calculation with God. आज मैंने 5 अच्छे काम किए तो मेरे को 5 अच्छे काम कर देना. हम मेरे को और शिवांगी को 5 blessings दे देना. That is not how it works. So I did this thing. Then I went to मंदिर in between. उससे पहले something crazy happened. Shivangi का shift off हो गया था. She was on her way back home and she called me. Ajay, hi, where are you? I said I'm in Jaipur. She said, what the hell are you doing in Jaipur? I said मैं घूमने आया हूँ. कहती don't lie to me, I know. Why? I told her कि नहीं हम घूमने आया हूँ. मैंने तेरे लिए बहुत से गिफ्ट किए. मैंने तेरे 5 इयरिंग्स खरीदे हैं. एक कोई बटरफ्लाई बना, एक कोई परी बना, ये and all. Because I used to call her all these names. She was like, I told you not to buy me any gift. And that's when our first argument happened. And somehow we started argumenting, and I started crying. I was crying like a child in the summer heat of March in Jaipur, sitting on the floor of some random shop out of it. And I was like, why this is happening? I'm not sure. And then, of course, I gathered myself up and I went to Zostel, and I told them that it's okay. Let me sleep. Let me get my mindset sorted, peaceful, and then I'll talk to her. It's okay. It's just one argument. What worse can happen? It's okay. I'll say sorry. It's all right. कोई sorry बोलने से बड़ा छोटा नहीं होगा. I went and I slept. I woke up at around 5ish, 6ish. I went to the common room. I went to vibe with the hostel. I like hostels. I like Zostel too much. And Zostel Jaipur was my second hostel ever. First I went to Jaipur road trip, and the first hostel of ever my life was Backpackers or something of that sort, in Mad Packers, I guess, in Jaipur. And then the second one was Zostel. And I had the great time. So that's when I fell in love with the hostels and backpacking. It was back in 2019 or 18. No. Actually, it has a mention in 2015 when she told me that कि आप जयपुर एवेन्यू में बताया था. So it's that time. फिर of course क्या हुआ कि that I woke up, I met these 3 girls from Delhi University, and I asked them, do you believe in love? And they said no, we don't believe in love, pure Gen Zs. So I told them this story in 1 hour, and at the end I asked them, what do you think? And they told me we think that yes, love exists, and somehow they were convinced with my story कि अगर ऐसा प्यार मिल रहा तो फिर just a second.